Hi, Kevin Mitchell from Professional Pricing Society here, and I have a couple quick updates from the PPS team. First of all, last week was our 33rd annual spring conference in Chicago, and I had a wonderful time meeting everyone there. So, sincerest thanks from the PPS team and from me to our members who came from across town, across the Midwest, across the country, and across the globe to be with us. Thanks very much to our speakers, our sponsors, our experts, the PPS staff, and our contractors as well for their help with our event. We had a wonderful 4 days of workshops, keynotes, breakouts, town halls, and special sessions, and lots of networking where I got to reconnect with a lot of old friends and colleagues and also meet quite a few new PPS members. So thanks to everyone for their participation in our event. If you attended our event, you'll receive a survey from my team. Please fill it out. Give us your feedback, positive, constructive, and otherwise, and we will make sure to continue to do all that we can in order to bring you the best events of our type anywhere available. Also, I want to send a special thanks. I know that I had some team members of mine that had to pull all-nighters in order to get everything ready, but we did have a special time. So to my team, thank you very, very much, and very happy for everyone's hard work around the event. Also, we are already in planning for the next group of PPS events. You'll hear from my team about our Fall American Conference coming up in San Francisco and also event in Europe coming later on in the year. So please keep an eye out for that. And thanks very much to the community for standing by us. And it was really great to see everyone. I was so happy to connect with everyone. And I look forward to seeing everyone again soon. So you'll get more information from me and my team coming up. Please reach out to us with your needs and please check our website, pricingsociety.com. Also, you can search LinkedIn and elsewhere for the hashtag PPSCHI22 for information and photos about our event. We're currently building our photo montage and our survey results for a debriefing, so you'll hear more about that soon. Thanks very much, everyone, and I look forward to connecting with you again very soon. Thank you.